COVID-19. More victims were recovered this weekend in Florida and Virginia. About 400,000 homes and businesses are still without power in 6 states. President Trump will visit storm-battered areas.
Today is October 15th, 2018, Monday morning.
Blown over by 155-mile-an-hour wind remains on its side. Also in the Panhandle, officials at Tyndall Air Force Base are assessing the damage to a number of aircraft.
Today is October 15th, 2018, Monday morning, 3 a.m. in the morning.
The death toll continues to rise 4 days after Hurricane Michael made landfall.
Hurricane Michael.
Were pushed off their foundations by the strong storm surge.
Praying for these people, praying for these people to get back right and be better than before. 18 people dead so far.
Crews are still looking for bodies and survivors in Mexico Beach, a small community bulldozed by the storm's 155-mile-per-hour
Mexico Beach, Florida.
14-foot storm surge. They were expected to be
By Panama City, Florida.
Is overseeing the search and recovery missions in Mexico Beach. He says 230 people rode out the storm in this coastal town. After an initial search of homes and debris piles, 79 people are
I am Jake, Locksmith Services, Jacksonville, Florida. Today is 2018, October 15th, Monday morning, 3:05 a.m. Hurricane Michael cleanup.
being told to keep watch for human bodies, which may be buried in the rubble of destroyed homes. It is possible that you will find additional people. Absolutely. Zeralbin says the body count could go up in Mexico Beach, but he hopes as communication improves, the list of people unaccounted for will go down. They might not have been accounted for. They can call in to their local EOC, to their local city hall, and advise that they are okay, or send word somehow that they are okay. Cleanup teams will be here for weeks. This is just debris that they moved off the road. They haven't even started going onto private property. We also don't have an official coordinated number of people who are unaccounted for in cities that were hit by Hurricane Michael. DeMarco? Long road to recovery. Omar Villafranco reporting. Omar, thank you. About 2,000 people rode out the storm inside their church as the roof and walls were blasted off. Tarika Duncan has a story from Panama City, Florida.
Panama City, Florida.
St. Andrew United Methodist Church. The sun was shining down on its members.
Gave us so much hope.
They lost their building, but not their faith.
Our church is not the rubble behind us. It's us. I was praying for life, and God is good.
Pastor John Blunt took us inside what's left of the structure that's been here since 1955.
When I came in the next morning, walked in here, saw the blue sky. Just God is good.
The main church Bible is still intact, with only water damage to some of the pages.
Symbolizes we held up well.
He says the night of the hurricane, he stayed at the church and helped to shelter 25 people inside 2 bathrooms and this small closet.
Prayer, just God's provision.
Praying out loud together.
Yeah.
His wife Caroline, who had traveled to Alabama with their 11-year-old daughter before the storm hit, returned Saturday.
It's unbelievable. And to think that they were here at the church and all 25 survived.
Their daughter Laura is still in Alabama with her grandparents. Her father has this message for her.
I want her to be proud of what I'm doing, but also understand that me being here because I need
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, indeed. We all need to come together and quit all this ignorance and recognize that we are one people living on this planet. We are the same in God's eyesight. We are His children. Believe it or not, I believe.